The Scandinavian has returned to the World Cup after many years away and arrives with one of the most exciting attacking team in the tournaments. Norway was excellent during qualification, winning every match in their qualifying group and scoring goals for fun. Their performances against strong teams showed that they are ready to compete at the highest level. The biggest star in the Norwegian team is Erling Haaland. The Manchester City strike is one of the best goal scorers in the world football. Haaland scored an incredible number of goals during qualification and will be one of the favorites to win the Golden Boot award at this World Cup. His speed, strength, movement, and finishing make him a nightmare for defenders. If Norway creates chances, Haaland usually finds a way to score. But Norway is not only about Haaland. They also have Captain Martin Odegaard, one of the best creative midfielders in Europe. Odegaard controls the game, creates chances, and helps Norway keep possessions. Norway also has talented attacking players like Alexander Andonian Nucio, Theo Asogar. Together they form a dangerous attacking unit that they can hurt any defense in the tournament. Looking at the FIFA ranking and overall squad quality, Norway has a clear advantage. Iraq is currently ranked around 57th in the world, while Norway is ranked significantly higher and has many players competing in Europe top leagues. Norway's squad value experience in elite club football and overall talent level are much stronger on paper. This does not guarantee victory, but it shows why many experts see Norway as the favorite. Tactically, we can expect Iraq to defend deep and stay compact. They will try to make the game difficult for Norway and reduce the space available for Haaland and Odegaard. Iraq knows that an open game would likely favor Norway. Therefore, they may focus on protecting their goal and looking for opportunities from set pieces, long balls, and counter attacks. Norway will probably control possessions from the start. Their midfield is stronger and their attacking players are more experienced at the highest level. We can expect Norway to push forward, create chances from wide areas, and look for Holland inside the penalty box. If Norway scores early, the game could become very difficult for Iraq because they would have to leave their defensive shape and attack more. One interesting battle will be between Iraq's defenders and Erling Haaland. The Iraqi defense must stay focused for the full 90 minutes. Haaland only needs one small mistake to score. He is excellent in the air, powerful in 1-1-1 situation and deadly inside the box. If Iraq can keep him quiet, they will give themselves a chance, but that is easier said than done. Another key area is midfield. Martin creativity could decide this match. If Iraq allows with too much space, he can create many opportunities for Norway's forwards. Iraq's midfielders will need to work hard, close down quickly, and prevent Norway from controlling the tempo of the game. Let's discuss recent form. Norway entered the World Cup with confidence after an outstanding qualification. Carpathian and some strong preparation matches. Their attack looked sharp and they showed they could score against quality of opponents. Iraq, on the other hand, had a more difficult preparation period and suffered a defeat against Venezuela in their finale warm-up match. While friendly matches do not always tell the full story, Norway appears to have more momentum heading into this game. Psychologically, both teams face different types of pressure. Iraq enters as the underdog, which means expectations are low. They can play with freedom and try to surprise everyone. Norway, however, is expected to win. That pressure can sometimes affect players, especially in a World Cup opener. If Iraq stays in the game for a long time, Norway may start to feel nervous. The first goal could be very important. If Iraq scores first, they can sit back, defend deeply, and make life extremely difficult for Norway. But if Norway scores first, the game could open up and create more opportunities for Haaland and his teammates. The opening 20 minutes may tell us a lot about how the match will develop. When comparison both squad player by player, Norway has more quality is most every position. Their goalkeeper, defenders, midfielders, and attackers have more experience at the highest level. Iraq's biggest advantage is their fighting spirit and team unity. Football is not always decided by famous names, but quality usually matters over 90 minutes. Now let's talk about possible scorelines. Iraq certainly has the ability to make the match competitive, especially if they defend well and frustrate Norway. A draw is not impossible. However, based on recent form, squad quality, FIFA ranking, and attacking power, Norway appears to have the stronger chance of winning. Most analytic and previewers also favor Norway because of their world-class attacking talent and impressive qualification record. My prediction is that Iraq will fight hard and stay organized, but Norway's attacking quality will eventually make the difference. Erling Haaland is likely to be one of the key players in this match and could find the back of the net. Iraq may create a few dangerous momentum, especially on counter-attackers, but Norway should create more chances throughout the game. Final prediction: Iraq 1, Norway 3.1. Expect Iraq to show great determination and possible score the goal. But Norway's superior attacking talent, creativity, and experience should help them secure all 3 points. Holland could score at least once, while Odegaard may provide an assist to play a major role is creating chances. Norway would they take the huge step toward qualification from one of the toughest group in the tournament. This is our full preview of Iraq versus Norway in the FIFA World Cup 2026. Do you agree with the prediction or do you think Iraq can cause a major upset? Let us know your predicted score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this preview, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more World Cup analysis, predictions and football content. Thanks for watching and enjoy the match.